Hi, in this video, we're going to see how we can create subjects in the ERP. So, all your communications and all your other systems would work based on the subjects that you have for each of the classes. So, we need to create that in the ERP. So, for that also, you need to go to the parent communication. Under the parent communication, you have the option called the assignment subject setting. Click on that. So, here, now, if let us say there are multiple subjects that are taught or topics that are taught to a particular class, we need to create those subjects here so that your communication to parents can go on the basis of those subjects. So let's say click on create assignment subject, and let's say the English is the first subject. Create. You want to create multiple subjects? Click again. So you can create how many ever subjects that you have in your system. Whatever is there in your classes, you can create them in the system. So once you create these subjects, then you can give permission to the teachers to access these subjects and to communicate on the basis of these subjects to the parents. For that, you need to now go to the next option called the subject teacher assigner. Click on that. Here you have to give it class by class. So let's say, for example, LKG A section. Now there are 3 subjects that are being taught for this particular class. Now I need to assign some teacher who would be handling these subjects for them. So click on edit and key in the name of the teacher in the first block. So for example, I'm assigning Ritu Verma as the class teacher for art and science. And let us say I'm assigning another teacher for English. And let us say another teacher for numbers. And if I save that, then those 3 teachers are assigned for those 3 different subjects. If I select that LKG once again, now you can see that these 3 teachers are assigned to these 3 subjects. You could assign the same teacher for all the subjects. You could assign multiple teachers for the same subject. So for example, let us say for art and craft, I want this class to be handled by Ritu Verma as well as Renu Kumar. So I can type and select that. Automatically there will be 2 teachers assigned for one subject for this particular class. I can click on save and it will be saved. Similarly, for another class, let's say UKG, and select A section. Now I have these subjects. Now all this, if let's say there are different set of subjects for different classes, moment you create those subjects will be visible under all the classes, but you need not assign teachers for the subjects that don't belong to a particular class. For example, let's say there are 5 different subjects, and let's say LKG has 3 of them and the UKG has another 2 of them, and they are not overlapping with each other. Doesn't matter. You can create for whichever subject is required for the particular class. Only for that you need to create the teacher. So for example, here in UKG, let us say art and craft is not there, but only English and numbers are there. So then I can create teacher for these 2. So I create a teacher for this, and I create So I create a teacher for the subject. Assume that art and craft is not part of UKG. Then only these 2 subjects for which I need to create this teacher. If I do this and click and save, then automatically I have assigned permission for subjects within a given class. So this is how you create a subject within the ERP and also assign teachers to handle the respective subjects. This is very important because only if this permission to a particular subject and a class is provided, only then the teachers will be able to access the classes and the respective subject within the classes and send out communication to parents based on the class and the subject. Otherwise, the teacher will not be able to access communication in terms of notification, assignments, homework, and so on, cannot be sent out to the parents. This is very, very important step in the process of giving the complete right to the teacher to a set of classes and subjects. Thank you.